I am Ricardo Flores from Barcelona, from Flores and Prats. I'm in the Politecnico to speak about our recent projects of renewal to recuperate a building in Barcelona and convert it into a center of a drama center. And then I want to explain how this project have been moved or have been explained in the International Venice Biennale of Architecture. The interesting thing, I think, to show these two projects is one real project. Is a project which plays a lot with scenography and with sometimes pictorial elements. And in the case of Biennale, which has to be a scenography or something which is an exhibition, instead becomes a very architectonical project because it tries to play in deep with the reality of the Biennale buildings.